ISTBina Paring Nine Sanduk Jaba Chayolgi Akanaba Torum Makuk Tong Singi Wari Ming David Babir Singdu Nasigi episode Taram City.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. What hot body hotter? No one's watching your back tonight. What hot body hotter? No one's watching your back tonight. Jump, crawl, fall again, live like it's your last day tonight. Every day, body, jump, scream, shout. It was Saturday morning and you're waking up so fresh, and you gotta be the rest, and you gotta be the best. And how you know, like you gotta be the best, like we party every day, like we party every night. Hey, so hot, man, so hot. A DJ can feel it like this body's so hot, man, so hot, man, so hot. From the top to the bottom, you've been dressing up so fresh, and nobody can beat 'cause you're the best. And I'm gonna say it like.
Hozik Aikoina episode Sida Lamdam Sigi Yamna Machin Tumkalagliba Western music Lamda Hozik Benza Toriba singer, composer, songwriter Ama Unajanabagi Madugitanzadu Luxury Hozik LILT Hybidi Lame Idiots Like Them Hybasi Sina Ben Gimamini Ben Sigi rapper winner Yamna Achoba Marueba Taudang Loriba Lamdam Sigini Manipurgini Rajikan Mangkhom better known as RJ Unanabagi Chapchaba Hozik Makeup to Europagloina Arjingasi ISTBG studio da Yamtang Unabani because you are not based in Manipur now based in Delhi Adu Tanjama Lauraga Aikuna Ishagi music Maruni Western music line venture Tobase Masigi Warivata Ishan at the same time Dangi performance Kari Yang Nabagi being a rapper Aduki Tanza Lawuda Yamna warmly Madu accept the Violo in Lapose. Thank you very much. Adu welcome to our show. Raji Aina Kanging is here. Maruina how Karamatum the Nokamito the Nanga Quagi rap music Kaduga rapping se. Masi developed or Pusikamutum Kramato.
I say rapping the Chahi 13 Gumba Surapada I discovered Hana the Ishai Gumba Quenisum Taramba. Mainly hip hop gumba ishai gum tare adum like in artist mem sum follow tawrak pada adum interest sum yak pa maigi ishai adum maigi lyrics pha dana adum tawrak padagi I discovered that I rap tawba khara ngam na then amuk aina amuk rapping toga I tried writing songs aduga yek pangam like ibangam kanda I adudagi interest od my how given it like
yam nungai ada hozik se manipur of course we cannot ignore or left behind. The rap music or rapping itself say in our own language Manipuri the Gasudum Saknare. Kari no my genre no come to my origin or something about in the background of the rap music. What is that?
Rapping say actually 1970 at the rap ne. Like basically the rapping was all about like koi hana MCs khara like हमने New York ta based toraga koi ge rappers में हमने some adu time dari MCs कर में hai hujik so MC kaune yes mic controllers so adu time da MC की थबक सिंगना DJ ma'am introduce gum batauba aduga koi ge kai hani middle da crowd ka interaction tauba energize tora thambado thamaga koi so mainly MCs adu moi थबक बने but as time passed means when DJ used to drop beats and signed so moina rap MC ma'am na adudo rhythmic oida maigi music ka chanana from maigi talk or like poetry type ta ngangpa aduda rap adumaina discovered oigimne 1970s the then 1980 it became very active oire 19
so after then it comes off as very popular music like everybody graduate after rap music and rapping sila jo yam nungai je do ji Rajikant akhoi Rajikant se Mangkhom sina isagi akhoi purely se popul thonjero ko mingni aduga RJ na haidi hoji khangai se why RJ kari gino why you have changed your name to RJ kari gino RJ
first of all artists amgi most of the ina sum yeng wada like artist me amgi maming se dum like original budi hapna de but like stage name ama haibun like so agi ming se Rajikant se am khara complicated oibda like me na sum phadana pa ta dadi Rajnikant gumba khan ke ba adumai yawe ba so until they see my name properly like aduga khoi ge kahani ai ge school la ai man bam lai my maming do ai maming se so pronounce tong haita ba so mana RJ se adum nangi ming se RJ oina cover ge haiba and adudo I really find it was interesting the name was like catchy also it's like RJ to RJ as my thun ge ni
paungre catchy were yam nungai ko si khare na shoot were ko bu the sulare anybody can pronounce it very easily so that RJ so your name is becoming very 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 popular at this point of time it's okay laidi hoji isagi aina horoko de panri duni mingse LILT sina name of the band ni so how many have the magi koinogi nogi comprises of how many artists in the band aduga band se karma to form tori no aduga amana most importantly band is sembagi behind that something will be there significantly kaino do khange thai
akhoi se band se school days te harak pane school days have the akhoi ghoti lai me ghoti da tamam me Sanskriti Gurukul ko ba school la so aduda akhoi band se aigi akhoi vocalist haidar Clanjan Bora also known as KJ our vocalist and guitarist ma se aduda thingna bine because of the natural music akhoi se we became like best friends aduda how givne ba so akhoi se adum classes ka khara free time break time gumba tawada akhoi guitar adum su hai khara hai banina akhoi sing se like adum mana khara isai chani ma makhon do aina han ba tabda phajai na adudagi aina muk mana ga khara isai am sakmina raga dura aina rap khara hapchan ba adumaina aduga kona di adudagi akhoina sum no mama stage ama share tawru school da adudagi bani se adudagi band ama form tawse na khana bani
aduga sahi se nani ka form tawse
akhoi 2012 da 12 to form tawne but 2012 akhoi as we were very young and we didn't have any idea akhoi che khangdamina kamaina haudoino adu ada tawdoini na akhoi che 2013 gum active ore active
has KJ lere RJ lere
adagi akhoi ge drummer amasu like ma adu na mai KJ na muk sam dai ne aduga aina rapper aduga bassist hoire rap akhoi band ge aduga Clanjan natna akhoi ge Shubhankar Guru Aribam kawam chale
Masu
Manipur dagi
acoustic drum
no mana acoustic drum acoustic drum drummer
adone ohum se punba benum le choke si LILT adu si yam phare adu ben si gi magi full form sina no yam phajina hai na khali ko adi lamb it is like them lamb it is like them I'm still confusing lamb it is like this what is that
actually akhoi ge band ge maming se lilt asing ba hai ba lilt haldi the melody of high pitch and low pitch haina bane ba meaning asing ba hai di but akhoi ge kahani akhoi ge band ge maming long phone gum se lak pasidi akhoi ge sidagi hau gimne akhoi imanabam na sum age akhoi daw ge class ki nupam nei me mana sum mock tawba LILT se kaino na lame idiots like them na so adudi mana sum mock talk pada it was aigi mami gi ta har catchy oi bedo so the lame idiots like them na adumana thon ki bani aigi do
yam nungai da work hard but harder I we say see best one ga madu accept of the mother yar to gi du khudong sa piri ise something will be there ise ji kamai even know what is there in the song aduga kari hai no kamai sapon dai do ise ji maram
akhoi first of when we started writing this work hard party harder akhoi gi idea se akhoi like most of the akhina songs sing se akhoi gi hujiki issues like love issues gumbada adumai irak bane but we wanted to write something different from that so akhina khanba a song which can be like an anthem which like me ma'am loina ahan angang loina sapang ba ba so akhoi gi like akhoi gi isai do pura phajana pura starting the lyrics to father so but like akhoi chorus to am strong catchy ohan ba like work hard party harder so adu do brain da adum la hewu adugi sign to mane but the main behind the thing is like the main thing we wanted to akhoi gi ka hai tare metaphor yawdo ado akhoi gi have the akhoi life se one time khitang phang bani na so like akhoi na khara when we what do you call when we grow old that time we don't regret that we didn't do things so like adugi like adugi work hard party harder na my thong give it
It's a very very nice background of song itself so underlying meaning say maga undercurrent meaning say am phaji ko hari to aduga hojik noina madu live show na performance kumba piba khotpadi that very particular song adu sa kan piba khotpadi le
adu yes adu song do sakpa ga khwai de nungai ba habdi crowd ke interaction gum em nungai ba habdi when akoina live perform toringai da like akoina atai party sakta but work hard pare had mayam loina yaw so even akoi su energy do fange mayam
every single individual
every individual adune work hard pare hada ruga part khara yaw is like where whoa tawba adu da su moina sakpi aduga akoina like adu yam nungai and most over like akoi do aduga clap tawra kind of clapping parts like only bass ka only drum ka yauraga adu clap tawgadaba adu crowd ka yam crowd su yauba song neba so akoi khitang saktaba pura crowd su involved taba main because communication is very important so adu maina isai do
through that particular song high is thousands of people heart with thousands of people you can communicate you can strike the ngam hai du neba so masidagi hena mai pakpa nungai ba mikupti kasu leroi adu unari si am tang no jarji unari ni why not that song
hey come on isn't there a reason to be happy why are we just making our minds shabby and let's give it up for some good champagne let's go keep dancing in the rain let us take a look in deep and realize why we actually breathe there's not a single word I've got to say till you realize what's up with your brain and up so fresh and you gotta be the rest and you gotta be the best and how you know like you gotta be the best like we party every day and we party every night hey so hot man so hot a DJ can feel it like your body so hot man so hot from the top to the bottom so I'm just think I'm so fresh and nobody can bitch cause you're the best and I'm gonna say like 1 2 1 2 3 4 work body harder, leaving no more regrets on this I work hard, body harder.
Oh, Ajay, it was really a wonderful gig. Really, your song in actually, it was really superb. Yam phaji ko ta yam nungai ado si music video si yengne bitan ja so khoi da phangabni YouTube da once I could changbo matam da work hard party harder eta phangani ko si nungai ada ngas aina music langno matam si music video semak pase swai da di akramai to madu kai nammi deli number kramai nammi music video se aduga kana nammi habdi ada du kitan khangning haira
music video se akhoi imphal la ngak tang namja ni ado akhoi ge BM production akhoi BM production na namja bani BM production like first aina ahan ba Be My Stam ge video sum ye pa but I used to see his works are outstanding like adum yenga so I kuirema approach tarak pa around like 2-3 years mamang da adum approach but one day I gi akhoi gi kangu ga pura band ga pura la aduga la ga akhoi music video namse na taraga BM ga appointment ama lauraga adumaina music se same gimne aduga yam akhoi gi BM production mein yam help tawre like production that was like my turning point of my whole band and my music thing and akhoi gi kaine and I want to also thank all those people who were there in the video most of the khara khang budi khang dare because production house na porak panina that time I was pretty much new to the Imphal I khang de ID mapanda sum like ba nina imana ba sum khara lai jada ba hai tare
la ino ji learning is best one the entry phang is masi hector say ma music video um thajal ge ta mun thab yare law hai bi yaro adu kramai to entry to because you know it's going to be a new lesson for us too as I do harp mutum da kramai to changi best one thab se mai kai le
my ye first sensor board is very much needed sensor board di darkar le but aduga main more thing is contact pudi laita yate ado ai gi akhoi gi manage akhoi band manage to ba akhoi manager do like ma han dei khara establish oibani na hip hop madi VH1 hip hop act artist su phange award su phangamnina so aina aigi
Karano mas.
Fiago na ama artist am le
Mai kai best tone.
ma se Kolkata da based tawni
Okay.
ado aduga aduda aina akoina music video do VH1 da air towning in haibani mana sum haimne nang kai the air towning VH1 da pambra or so man hai I draft ama tha gar ge moida aduga tharaga next day when aina thareba draft in tharo hairaga aduga next day I got an email from VH1 that akoi video do maige si maige standard my video format and everything requirements yes requirements that thabiro admain tawraga aduga admain tawraga air tawre admain
ada hoji moi adu thaba matam de kai changi fee ni sim hoji drop hai kai no paisa nu sa ka chang
paisa budi changde sensor board darkar leni
criteria khar pi bra moi hai badi noi gi ji si we ga ni video quality
ki wa la yes
isai gi content video gi content whatever yaw review myam se
adu much needed moi gi requirements khara lai adu gi requirements ta same ga pi ga dam like moi gi MOV format ta fine same ga dam ni aduga akoi gi screen isu 19:6 kaina dumaina khara lai man adu da admire same ga requirements to tiraga after that you can send it through them through akoige moige webcom office ta thaba yai cd ona or otherwise digital like Dropbox kumba dungba admire tharaga su admire taw
ada hozik isai si sakpa and the bracket rokum habire ada isai si salpa matum da adagi isai si saknabagi damak isai si song asi just akoi hojiki song writer haire ko isai make ibase ado like lyricism na tawgadabu mataw haitare isai si RJ ni ibadadi hojiki yang sai di khogi hoji haire isai particular isai si maksu asai nungsi nungond yumphom budi hapet oiba adu regasu manungda punsigi yam phajaba masak ama habadi depict tawnan bo hotna rakpado wari harakpada sorapum phawi isai ji kam ire
asing wa haidi akoige yam isai taba yam darkar budi lai like isai ma semba at least 100 isai am di ta daw yade atmaina type ta so akoi lyrics aina sum akoina lyrics ka irakpa time dadi akoina khar experience gumba da su iba yawe like I most of the in a rap ma'am so storytelling oina type ta rap ta we so akoige lyrics gumba irakpa time da akoina mainly akoi example akoi art laurene art like akoina art ama yekpa da mi am ge point of view am darkar le dana akoi point of view su darkar le mi ge su point of view darkar le so adumaina akoina irakpa time da most of the thing theme am yaudab di yate
exactly
theme admai yauraga aduga mi ma'am akoi mapan lam da su kamai na isai tawnari aduga akoi gi moina kari elements use tawi adu khara habdi mi amana tawra kanda akoina sakpa hai kanda moi imitate tawsini
say ibosi mature enough wherever aduga harible line to the well experienced wherever professional ba mi singna iba dudi it okay but you are too young habdi sahi karim yawdi adu yam na how we mina isai ining bagi wakal phawri se nangi certain wisdom am legani nangi outlook cry lege asagi thimdu phangnan bo hona bada nangna madugi kind of struggle se kramai tawge do kramai la ino majiki inspiration se ining bagi adai gi jilga la ise kramai tawri no kramai ige aduni ko na hana kari khan ge sini
oh I budi experience gumada yam tai mi gi wari sham tagal le ai habdi akoina ai manaba sing na moi gi wari ga selerakpa example moi gi love issues haigera or family issues haigera as maina dum taba em ado akoina mai wari do taraga sum tawraga isai gi rom da on thokpa adu mai tawraga koi like most of the
sometimes karibum matam da human pain meam lei untold stories meam lei haidok taba adu thengli bo punsi gi nungai taba thawdo wato ji jahi na wer su angang we matam nim thengno su meam lei ko adai gum badadi do you look at
yes I do yes do I have experienced things which like it's as an artist which I started coming up people like criticism is very important and for an artist like adu it takes you whether you're good or bad or like what is lacking in you that is very much important but khoige aina sum lakpada people trying to pull me down but I didn't give up on that I was like I hater I'll keep going I'll do it aduga somehow I came up like this so I wrote a song based on that also aduga my new song also is based something on life these days I'm writing more songs on real life basis, like akoigi motivation and all that. Mujhe upcoming project amsu ai tauri ma akoigi which is based on motivation and the mind targa. So
so far isai di ka muti I gre adu hojiki moji ko no ji sa tari bi sei se masi war hard party had scene not about than that how many songs you have written so far?
Isai budi am ire like 20 mathak plus layer ni, but like akoina like tune gumba pan ba gumba hair di maximum like around like 10 to 12 gumba lay ji budi.
Aduga ate isai di kamai to inang project ai se new project ka hair do adai could you tell me something about your new project more elaborately?
Okay. New project say it's better on the other side ka way ai project anau se hojik pudi ai artist khara ga su collaborate tawning anau artist khara oige aduga akhoi gi aina sum I ge like my thoughts are like promoting new artists also, because I have seen there are lot of people who are damn talented but they don't have the right exposure. So like main thing I wanted to promote a new artist, like I'm gonna in a release of Let It Go Koba. Yes, Let It Go. It's something based on love issues, but real magi meaning higher the akoigi life ta me oida di mina mawalog bi de that my life do. So you have to become something that the people try to notice you, and adumaina, so the song is based on that, like. So it just like it's a way of struggling artist, how he comes up. He wasn't nothing but he became something, and that time people try to realize that he's an important person now. So the song is Let It Go the base of winning. Artist Ashray Kobama Ashray Hokip Kobama yes, vocalist oina my hook sahali mana my daraga. I'm sorry, it's too late. Days pass like it's tomorrow. Every day I've been thinking about. Every day I've been thinking about. Alright. Hey girl, I guess it's all over now. A year passed, still ain't even moving out. Right now, I'm living all of fame, living on a lifestyle, living like a king. Alright. But times whenever you call me, saying hello, good night, good morning, and see your text like when I'm yawning. Every day bawling, iPhone rolling. She never told me that all the time she just been holding at. Wanna be like. If you're gonna change, then I'ma be like, okay, hey girl, if you ever gonna change me, first change shit, but the thing isn't easy. Life that I switch in, the shoes that I fit in, is the one that the song that I'm singing, the wall in my right hand, just like I'm wheezy. People gonna call me like a damn, he's so lazy. I don't care when the people wanna tell me I'ma be the stars like when I'm a crazy. I would die for you, you know how I cry for you, you know how this thing's for. I won't even lie to you, all am I right? I'm a winning, I'm just proud for you, so what's the reason? Never trying to die for you someday. I've been chilling with my old friend, fighting on around like a sitting in a jet plane. So wanna know what is that fuss all about? If I ever told you, you gotta sound like sorry, it's too late. Days pass like it's tomorrow. Every day I've been thinking about. Every day I've been thinking about.
Wow, thank you very much. Yam possible shema tahan bire so ise ju phajari my title mem se adana khogi hojiki Let It Go kind hariba dugi beta on other side kind hariba ise singya phaj moi gi exposure marwen amadu music video and namduri ra duga moi gi exposure se marwen hojikti ani sum feel tawjari ni arjena target tawrisi ise khogi cockening toruga mani stagnant wena area am the mapam da khogi local consumption gi natraga khogi country singi leriba. Other than that, Karehana, my outlook sepa, Karehana Park Pachawa fa, and Laza Tare, Eliam, the Tanning Malin, other Kari no Karamayingi, Karamay Plantori.
Adubudi, Aina, Anova, I get Let It Go to platforms, Aina, okay, platform like iTunes, Gumbadu, with Hadokni, like, but basically, as my first debut, I say, I'm the free in the Hadokni, so people can listen more. I'm not being so commercial. I'm just like the more my voice reaches to the people, I'll be more satisfied. So like as an artist, like art is a free something. It's like it's something which you express yourself. But this one is like I wanna express to everyone. So me memna hina tahaning bado. So let it go. They will be releasing it soon by like this month or next. So koi admai taraga like do free the pithokani.
yam nungai si masi collections ma do band di still akoi gi collection webra aduga kramai tawni what about your brand
yes akoi band se hujik pudi akoi lyric tam hibanina akoi mafam khaido kare akoi amana akoi gi Clanjan na Mumbai da sound engineering tamba sound engineering lore ma aduga akoi gi drummer duna muk Bangalore da tamme aduga aina muk Delhi da akoi college graduation tawri
do you have no certain commitment that when chatna su shall you come back again?
Yes, I do have belief that because right now Clanjan is also doing very well. Ma mathanda sumasu solo tawri hujik solo project oina magi, but it's like we promised like isha hujik tongan chatna so like after like magi fan base like animak it's like animak to la kanda it's like a big reunion again admaina plan lai akhoi
in the meantime was it khoi kejegi kanjang hairi ko aduga khoi drummer gi su hairi ma adibam gi ado hoji noi tamnari se maruina ataidu kitang silent tor kanda rj se hoji kari tamyon Delhi kari tam
hojik pudi ai graduation tawri English honors ta Delhi University that ami aduga khoi gi ai music su to study su tawri aduga music su tawri animak
isagi live performance sing makorpa khoi pirapase because nangi band itself the Guwahati da based awuni adu hoji puri Delhi da lei hai ne nang leiba mafam da band du laksabi wane and Guwahati da leiring da ida or nang Delhi da leiba matam da live performance ka piba ge doi gi experience kari piure adu mayam gi kanuni just feedback coming idana
yes performance people say but kijara may have the I was a kind of person who like stage tagala aga mayam over the stage ki
fight live
so but like eventually nang sum sakla kana mina nungai ba mi ama na nungai ba uri so like akhoi aina dum like I feel the energy and I can continue singing whatever I am doing. So aduga akhoi ge band gi hare akhoi have performed in many places like in Guwahati akhoi major like concerts like Limitless Cobham to perform the band ga tawraga adudagi some akhoi ge colleges khaibre adugumba events gumba adwaida su perform tawre opening su am tawgre main tawraga Guwahati da tawne but I Delhi lakpadidi isha solo ina chale but solo and Delhi I han but because I'm a solo now I'm doing my solo project so I've been like management is also very important na I can use my band's manager as my manager as well so I give hujipudi Alan Robertson ko bama manager oina man I manage and mentoring man tawiri the man major gigs I have performed in major gigs in like Northeast festivals and all that adudagi I've been performing here and there in Delhi and hantaksu Robin Naramgi my fashion show Delhi da DLF ta tawa aduda su ai platform perform tawri mai tawra adum and I'm hoping more like going in places around in India and like even international possible so like adumaina I
nangna khoi live performance people matam dani because advai the lady crowd ki audience ki moi gi kaino do reaction do aduri kramai phangi nang pamje bu
reactions have nungai have the communication to em nungai like I get rap means most of the ina ishai same time da like akoi gi crowd su yauna ba dum taw do so like aina ishai ama relevant trip am like aduda clap kat part like aduda moine clap thon ba aduda gi akoi naga like middle laga it's like MC work na like akoi ge mi loire kan daga it's like and like when I say hip you say hop so like hip hop kind taraga mi sum nungahan ba do like energized to idana abdi mi dal crowd su admai tare means to stage act say I'm important oina but I have to develop more because right now which I'm doing like the more you perform the more you experience so I khara lacking with lai ajuda but I'm somehow I think that I'll develop somehow admai taraga
Western music se nang na artist moina nangi point of view dagi kamai we Western music have a taseng na masi Manipur guma famda grow to we an in Canberra to nang si pi nang sang even nang venture to area se masi one day also madate masi sung so dena Western music se promote to buda nang is so wa contribution nama nang so papa contributor mo ibang nang in Canberra kama yeng
as an artist I quite handy I wouldn't say that only Western music some music kitang higher side because genre I'm kaidoi rock lay adu lay so as a musician I'll never judge any genre like differently all are same like chap manner all come from saregama migi code like jayga tumaina so mainly like but Western culture is coming akoi yam influence OS why the so hierarchy so like akoi and mean as well I have seen akoi youngsters gumba hojik inaharon sing yam Western gumba sutane so I think that moina akoi Western life so adapt away but mainly they should not forget akoi roots to kai dagi hobuno like akoi my Manipur gi su culture khangadam ni even though you're following like
da ni ko hoji yam phajaba ma haire arjin habi mutam da wari gi loisala puta kas yam nungai haitare aina ngasai gi lakning pon su adumak ni aduna aikoina mi gi atopa culture ma atopa musical culture ma aikoina matok tamure saure haibasina nangi originality aduga nangi belongingness at the same time nangi root to madu tasena yaurabra haibudi oideba aduna through Western music Western classic aduga magi pajagraba mai masak sida haitare nangi originality nangi root to madu hapaga haitare madu tawra agadi aikoi gi identity su cultural identity in terms of music identity su takungami adai daga di nangi plan lebra kama yenge haibuduni ko ketang di pale kaile
I plan say I main motive say gi Manipur akoi premium studio gumbana taina atmai hangning ba gi goal la lai ai gi ama ina fine project pa mi sina akoi gi I want to give the best to them like I wanted to contribute something from my side like all the artists and musicians like agi jamming room galoina hapaga me habdi khara time da lai mafam yum da jamming tawraga me side tak disturb taw yawe I'm giving so I wanted to do something for the musicians so later aduga aina khali sina what my plan is like kona record label gumada on thoga so I can mo issue living ama tawa dumai tawagi plan dai
aduga atopa interest kai in life
I say atopa interest like I painting gumba yam pame painting gumba like I usually do I doodle haitare I doodling art tawe aduga mural gumba siam tawe aina minsum aingonda imanabi mo ye hotel gumba so aingonda ye gumba so offer la adu so aina khara ye khebani Yaisana the hotel amda ina my mural ama pame mural yeki my taraga I art so am interest like angang oidagi my aim like time di I say car designer ga oige kind of kalam the life say you don't know how it changes aduga art time interest like something all artistic gumba is like creativity gumba yawa pot am interest like ingon
adum le adagi Manipuri music se kramai to Manipuri se ga se tadra western line se sum sakramna adum for all the time adum akoi gi occupied to adum stuck to lebra
aduga
ate Manipuri
no there's nothing like that I Manipuri se ta tai I like a lot of artists like there are young artists like Manka is doing pretty great I mean her voice is pretty much unique and I really admire her like do what is she doing in her age is like amazing and like I like Sori Sanjam as well my makonde am phajai like there are a lot of amazing artists right now coming up I've seen a lot of artists coming up like Be My Snam like I have never asking by rapper English I rap to jersey I can't rap like Manipuri like him I've seen he's been doing great I was just telling the other day to Be My Snam that I say Manipuri that rap to ninge though I badi khara problem la ni mane biraga ina try to jabadi ai admaina khali aduga Manipur su yam rich oi like a quick culture high there, but music wise higher so yam rich oire hojikudi as comparatively, you know, how we are doing like everything from music video to every song and all that, so yam developed our
anyway yam nungai ko sumaina khoi gi noina mapan da sum sakra mi sing si khoi gi lam sanam si sang baina mapan sum thokraga khoi gi yum si krai lebno khoi si krai lapno kaina kau thok pagum tawi the virus rj gi du yam phajana madu line du kaidana phajana pursalame adu nangna sagi sujari ba chahi adu nangna yeng ba mi yeng adu advice du dai da yamna khoina simulator gi yeng ba matam da yam phajana line du pursalin lei adu because still I do feel that, you know, you love your motherland,
yes.
you love your people, adu you love your culture, adu masimadi yam mas wena khali yam nungai adu sina almost wari sha ba si loisale ani khatang hangya amana nangi favorite dish ni amana nangi favorite dress code ni kai pa me
ai uti yam pa me I dress code hardi I'm like rapper issue like I like wearing formals a lot like
as you say go
yes
adu yam nungai adu formal set pagi phajaba mai matang yam lei ko adu yam phaje swaidum hare loisal lapasi da isei ma tahan bi gadra natraga guitar piece mo no khong bi gadra kai no je arje adu ngasi sagi yam chinba matam ni even though adu I still develop especially my viewers si sei khra tahan bi ba aduga chatliba career di matang da wari batagi sa na sig information ma'am piram se masi yam nunga je do let it go si walwat oiba ma'am na pan bi sei mo oibu resno se still make de hajeri so thank you very much once again hari bo wafam si thamjabaga loina nam tang sidam akuk thombu singi wari lu sinjere meng ta bior singbu aru buena amuka hana
1 2 1 2 3 4 work hard body harder leaving no more regrets on this I work hard body harder like no one's watching your back tonight jump go full again live like it's your last day tonight every day party jump scream shout tomorrow.